welcome to Geojay solution tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adaviruku. Today I want to show you how to delete multiple fields at once in ArcGIS. How to delete multiple fields at once in ArcGIS. So in ArcGIS, I have this data, this layer Nigeria 36 state boundary, which is a bunch of polygons. So if we open the attribute table, right click and click on attribute table. In attribute table, I have various fields. I have multiple fields here. If you want to delete, for example, let's say you want to delete these two. If you right click and try to delete, it is only one of the field that will delete, not the two you highlighted. So if you want to delete multiple field at once, the best way, so if we want to delete and you click on delete, it's only one that we delete. But if you want to delete multiple field, the best way to do it is to come to for example, search. Come to search and type delete field, and click on search. So this is it, delete field, under data management. Or alternatively, you can come to App Toolbox and come under data management tools, so which is a long process, but the easiest way is to come to search and search for any tool you are looking for. So this is delete field. Click on delete field. So you input the layer in which you want to delete some field of its attribute table. Click here, bring in the field. Now if you look at it, it will bring all the field in that attribute table. So the one you don't need, you check it. For example, I don't need this number of household, males, females, both sexes, and shape length. So what to do is that you come here, check the one you don't need. I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this, and I don't need this. So after you have checked them, you click on OK. When you click on OK, the process is running background. It will take few seconds. Okay, it's done. So it's done. You can see now it has been deleted. Those fields we selected has been deleted. So this is how to delete multiple fields at once in ArcMap. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.